6,000 people bought this exact piece of plastic last month. Think about that for a second. 6,000 shoppers saw a short video on their feed and hit the buy button because they saw something that looks like pure sorcery. You just drop your phone on a stand. There are no wires. There is no Bluetooth pairing menu to mess with. Suddenly, the room fills with sound. It looks like a miracle of modern engineering. The reality is much more mechanical and a lot less impressive. I spent a few days digging into the guts of this viral sensation. This brand markets it as a high-fidelity 5-in-1 powerhouse. It claims to be a speaker, a phone stand, a portable charger, and an ambient light show. All of this for about $26. But when you peel back the layers of hype, the magic starts to fade fast. This is not some groundbreaking audio transmission. Inside that shell sits a tiny inductive chip. This chip does not receive a digital signal from your phone. Instead, it literally listens to the physical vibrations coming out of your phone speaker. It is essentially eavesdropping on your device and making the sound louder. This means your audio quality is trapped. It can never be better than the tiny, thin speakers already inside your phone. If your phone sounds tinny, this box will just make that tinny sound bigger and messier. People are reporting muffled audio and constant static. It sounds more like an old handheld radio from the 80s than a modern piece of tech. The fine print even warns you to keep your phone volume above 50%. If it is too quiet, the chip cannot even tell you are playing music. That is not high-end audio. That is a cheap workaround sold with expensive buzzwords. The company behind it is not a dedicated audio specialist. They sell budget watches and microphones. You can find this exact same design under half a dozen different names on major shopping sites. It is a white label product coming from the same factory floor. They just swap the logo and the box. The battery is another major disappointment. They call it a portable charger, but it might give your phone a measly 15% boost before it dies. The only thing that actually works well is the colorful lighting. When the best part of a speaker is the light show, you know you have a problem. You could spend a little more and get a real portable speaker from a trusted brand that would absolutely destroy this thing. A real speaker offers clarity and bass. This is a classic case of a party trick being sold as a revolution. It works for 90 seconds until the novelty wears off. Then you realize you just bought a plastic paperweight with some flashing lights. Don't let the viral videos fool you into thinking this is a shortcut to great sound. It is just clever marketing masking a very basic vibrating chip. You deserve better than a flashlight disguised as a lighthouse. This investigation exists so you do not have to learn the hard way. Every time you see a gadget promising the world for the price of a lunch, remember that if it seems too good to be true, it usually is. Keep questioning the hype and stay sharp. I will catch you on the next one where we figure out what is actually worth your money and what is just expensive garbage with a shiny coat of paint.